Assalamualaikum guys, hope you all fine. Today I'm here and I'll just show you how you can get the Adobe Acrobat Reader for the PDF file for the Mac laptop, Macbook there. So you just simply click on the Google get.adobe.com/reader, or simply you can go to the link on the just give you the link in the description or maybe in the comments below, so you can follow that one. As you can see, I just click on that one. Simply you just click on that one, there's a new window appears. As you can see here, there's mentioned we have a latest version of Mac operating system, that is 10.5, more than this, so we are eligible to download this one. Okay, so you just click on the install now. This will automatically install. In this procedure you can you must click keep, so that this will not harm your computer. You can click on the show link below and then you can open that one. After verifying, this will download it, because this will take downloaded from online. You must be connected with the internet. So we click on that one and then you will just open that one. And you know password, your login password, because this is the important, this is the permission for the installation for this software. So afterwards we just simply try to close all the things. So it will take a while to complete this download. It depends on your laptop internet, or it depends on your internet. It depends on your internet speed. And you can add these icons in the down list, or you can also delete this one, no problem. If you want, you can select, you just click on, and you just click right click, and then after installation you can open, or other than you can install. You can also, if you want to see your list of the application you are already downloaded, you just go to the launch pad. Simply you just, if you install more than 20 or 30 applications, the next slide will be available for you. And you can also search if you install more than 20 or 50 applications, so no need to scroll for the first slide or second, just simply search. So this is a very awesome application. So you can just click finish, and if you want to check the software, this is now finished. And we don't have, at least if you want to see the tour, or mostly people don't like this one, but if you want to check this one, it will just help you out for a while. Just click on the welcome. This file will show you. Now this one working. This is also very good tool. You can even export or convert files like this. Very important software while you are trying to read the PDF files. So guys, this is the software. So I just want to share with you guys. I put the link in the description or maybe in the comment, so you can check and share with your friends. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.